processing, or NLP. This branch of AI focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP algorithms can analyze text for various linguistic features, including word choice, sentence structure, sentiment, and framing techniques, to identify potential biases. One approach to bias detection involves training AI models on large datasets of news articles that have been manually annotated for bias. These models learn to identify patterns and linguistic cues associated with different types of bias, such as political leaning, sensationalism, or corporate influence. Once trained, these models can then analyze new articles and flag potential biases based on the learned patterns. Another approach involves using AI to analyze the structure and framing of news stories. AI can identify how an issue is presented, who is given a voice, and what perspectives are emphasized or omitted. This type of analysis can reveal subtle forms of bias that might not be immediately apparent from the language used alone. Section 5. Real-world applications AI in action. Several organizations and initiatives are already putting AI-powered bias detection into practice. The Google News Initiative, for instance, has developed tools that use AI to identify and flag potential biases in news coverage. These tools are designed to help journalists and newsrooms produce more balanced and objective reporting. Other organizations are developing AI-powered platforms that allow users to assess the bias of news sources. These platforms use AI to analyze the content and framing of news articles, providing users with insights into the potential biases of different outlets. This information empowers individuals to make more informed decisions about the news they consume and to critically evaluate the information they encounter. The use of AI in bias detection is still in its early stages, but the potential impact is significant. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and platforms emerge, further enhancing our ability to identify and mitigate bias in news coverage. Section 6. The Future of Unbiased News. AI's Evolving Role. The quest for unbiased news is an ongoing endeavor, and AI is poised to play an increasingly important role in this pursuit. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and techniques emerge, enabling us to detect and mitigate bias with greater precision and nuance. Future developments in AI-powered bias detection may include the ability to analyze not only text, but also images, videos, and audio recordings. This would allow for a more comprehensive assessment of bias, taking into account visual and auditory cues that can also contribute to biased portrayals. Moreover, AI could be used to develop personalized news feeds that cater to individual users' preferences and biases. Such systems could identify and filter out news content that aligns with a user's existing biases, promoting exposure to diverse perspectives and fostering more balanced information consumption. While AI offers powerful tools for detecting and mitigating bias, it is essential to remember that technology alone cannot solve this complex challenge. Human judgment and ethical considerations remain crucial for ensuring fair and balanced news coverage. As AI evolves, it is imperative that we continue to engage in critical reflection, fostering a culture of transparency and accountability in the pursuit of unbiased and trustworthy news.